Tesla's focus has long been on revolutionizing the electric car industry, but Elon Musk has made it clear that his ambitions go far beyond that. Despite global skepticism toward humanoid robots, Tesla is investing billions of dollars into the development of its Optimus project, a humanoid robot that Musk believes will transform the future of work and domestic life. Many still find it hard to imagine machines matching human dexterity or intelligence, and humanoid robots have often been mocked as awkward, clumsy contraptions. Yet, Musk envisions a world where these machines will not only coexist with humans but assist them in everyday life. The upcoming Tesla Bot Gen 3, expected to debut next year, represents a major leap toward that vision. This robot, capable of performing household chores like cooking, cleaning, and even serving drinks, aims to bring automation directly into people's homes. It's not just a concept anymore, it's a near reality designed to eliminate boring, repetitive tasks and make life easier for millions. Interestingly, Musk deliberately avoided giving the Optimus robot a realistic human face. According to psychologists, the more human-like a robot appears, the more it triggers unease, a phenomenon known as the uncanny valley. Recent developments in robotics, such as the hyperrealistic Origin M1 head made by a Chinese company called Adform, have reignited this discomfort because of how eerily lifelike they appear. In contrast, Tesla chose a sleek, minimalist design for Optimus, with a black, glossy head and a simple LED strip, making it more approachable and less intimidating. Tesla originally planned to produce 5,000 units this year, but production has been delayed as the team finalizes improvements for the third-generation model. The company has already ordered $685 million worth of actuator modules, enough to build up to 180,000 robots, signaling that mass production could begin as early as next year. The most significant upgrade in the new version lies in its hands. Each Optimus hand features 26 miniature motors and a system of cables designed to mimic human tendons, allowing smooth, lifelike movements. Each fingertip is fitted with sensors that detect temperature, pressure, and texture, enabling the robot to feel objects, from the heat of a pan to the chill of a beer glass. Musk even admitted that building the hand was more difficult than creating the Cybertruck because of the level of precision required. Thanks to these advancements, Optimus can now perform complex physical tasks such as cooking. Unlike older robots that followed pre-programmed routines, Optimus learns tasks through vision, touch, and experience. It can open a refrigerator, pick ingredients, handle knives, and prepare meals autonomously. Each robot's learning experience is shared with others through a decentralized network, meaning once one robot learns a task, all others instantly gain the same knowledge. This decentralized intelligence also allows the Tesla bot to continuously improve. Engineers have trained Optimus by letting it watch human tutorials, even YouTube cooking videos, analyzing actions, timing, and sequences before replicating them in real life. Over time, it develops an understanding of context, not just movement, allowing it to respond naturally to human instructions. With Tesla's Grok AI voice integration, Optimus can engage in realistic conversation, respond emotionally, and even adapt its personality to its owner. When you tell it you're tired, it might offer to bring you a drink. It's not merely a mechanical servant but a learning companion designed to make life easier, smarter, and more comfortable. Imagine returning home after a long day to find your house perfectly clean, the floor shining, and the lawn freshly cut, all done without human effort. This is the promise of Optimus Gen 3, a machine that doesn't just demonstrate futuristic technology but delivers practical results. Unlike typical robot vacuums that bump into furniture or get stuck, Optimus maps your home in 3D, identifies what needs cleaning, and performs each task with precision. It can pick up items, wipe surfaces, vacuum under furniture, and even move small objects out of the way before putting them back exactly where they belong. Over time, it learns your home layout and cleaning habits, becoming more efficient the longer it operates. It recognizes the difference between dust and important items, adjusting its suction and handling accordingly. This real-world intelligence sets it apart from all previous robots. Optimus can even be taught new skills by simply showing it video demonstrations. Tesla calls this real-world AI, bridging the gap between human intuition and machine precision. The robot can also handle outdoor chores, such as mowing the lawn while avoiding flowers and decorations. If it senses rain, it automatically pauses and returns to its docking station, sending you an alert. You can speak to it naturally, asking it to clean specific rooms or skip certain areas, and it will understand and respond. With its 3 kilowatt-hour battery, Optimus can work for around 7 hours before recharging itself. Though the initial price tag ranges between $50,000 and $70,000, Musk believes that as production scales, costs could drop to around $20,000, making it more affordable than many cars. However, the true revolution lies beyond household chores. Optimus could fundamentally change how humans view labor and income. According to Musk, this robot isn't just a personal assistant, it's an income-generating machine. Once available for under $20,000, each Optimus could potentially earn its owner up to $2,000 per month performing various jobs, paying for itself in less than a year and continuing to generate profit long after. Unlike human employees, Optimus doesn't require salaries, breaks, or insurance. It can work 24/7 without fatigue, making it a powerful asset for businesses. The implications are enormous. Small business owners could use multiple robots for tasks like cooking, cleaning, serving, or manufacturing. The return on investment could be achieved within months, transforming labor costs into long-term gains. A new industry could even arise where individuals purchase Optimus units and lease them out to companies, creating a passive income system similar to Tesla's upcoming robotaxi network. Financial analysts have already estimated that if a humanoid robot replaces two $25 per hour workers while operating at a cost equivalent to $5 per hour, its lifetime value could reach $200,000, a tenfold return on investment. Optimus also promises to revolutionize industries like healthcare, manufacturing, and security. In hospitals, it could assist with patient care, deliver medication, monitor vitals, and perform repetitive physical tasks, reducing staff workload and increasing efficiency. In security, Optimus's 360-degree vision and sensors enable it to patrol, detect intruders, and send alerts, offering continuous protection without salary costs. In factories, it can identify, move, and assemble parts autonomously, adapting to new environments through AI learning, something no industrial robot has done before. Economically, this marks the dawn of a new kind of labor system where ownership of work becomes decentralized. Just as people today own cars or properties, in the near future, they may own robots that generate income for them. This could spark an entirely new economy where wealth is created not only by human effort but also by intelligent machines. New professions will emerge: robot trainers, AI engineers, and fleet managers, while human labor shifts toward creative and strategic tasks that machines can't perform. From an investment standpoint, Optimus represents one of the fastest returning assets in history. With a payback period of less than a year and a lifespan of over a decade, each robot could generate hundreds of thousands of dollars in net value. For Tesla, this marks a transformation from a car manufacturer to the world's leading robotics company. The economic potential of millions of humanoid workers could surpass that of entire industries today. Ultimately, Musk's true mission may not simply be building cars or rockets, but creating an intelligent, self-sustaining labor force, a new class of machines capable of generating wealth alongside humans. Optimus combines Tesla's expertise in AI, energy systems, and manufacturing into one platform. While it is presented as a household assistant, it could, in reality, be the cornerstone of a future economy powered by autonomous robots. When production scales, owning an Optimus might become as common as owning a smartphone, and each one could represent a personal income stream. The Tesla Optimus robot may very well become the defining product of the AI-driven age, reshaping not only our homes but the entire foundation of global productivity.